Right. Okay. So this is coming under month 3. Month 3, actually, the note is not for grade 8 is about the virtualization, but you can edit that note and you can write in the initial page, initial section of the virtualization note. You can edit it and write there. If you have not received the note, don't worry. So what you can do is you can write down in your book, right? So today we are going to discuss about 2 types of interfaces. Basically, interface type 1 is command line interface, and interface type 2 is graphical user interface. We already started learning about the graphical user interface, and we explored and we learned how GUI is working. So how to create a folder, how to delete a folder, copy, paste, those things we have learned. And today, so I'm going to teach you the command line interface, which is little bit difficult and advanced so than your traditional graphical user interface. Okay. Before we begin, I would like if you can share the screen, Pute. I'm stopping my screen and try to share your screen. So let me give the permission.
Please.
Yeah, I think now the permission is enabled. Yes. Okay, I can see one screen. And okay, let's start the command prompt. So there are a few ways of starting command prompt. So method number 1, so all of you can do with me, right? If you have the computer or laptop with you, you can start doing the practical with me. And you can see the screen, right? You can see your friend's screen. Okay. You can see your friend's screen.
Yes,
Can
sir,
you
can
all?
see.
Yes,
Okay,
sir, can see the screen.
Yes,
okay.
I can see.
Yes, sir.
Right. Then, so please type command prompt there. So in the search bar, you can type command prompt. That is one way of opening the command prompt. Okay. Then you can open it. So that is what we are going to learn today. Okay. Method number 2. Okay. Method number 2 is you can press Windows key and R key together. Windows key and R key together. Okay. Then you will get the run dialog box. In the run dialog box, Pute, you can type CMD and press enter. So please do it slowly, then others can also see. Windows key and R key, then type CMD command, CMD and press enter or OK. Then also it will open the command prompt. Okay, method number 3. You can open the Explorer, Windows key and E key, File Explorer, or you can click on that yellow color icon, that is also okay. Open the Explorer, Windows key, E key, and you will see this. Then you can go to any location that you like. Okay, let's go to C drive, Pute. Let's go to the C drive. Yes, double click on C and go there. Then go to the address bar. Do you know where's the address bar? Address bar is where the address of the location is typed. So can you see this? Yes, this is the place, this address bar. And then type CMD. Then type CMD. So then what will happen? Yes.
Sir, we can get command prompt.
Yes, that is another way. So in that way also you can see the command prompt. Okay, we have observed few methods of opening the command prompt. Just give me a second. Okay, then the next important thing is read in the command prompt. Read in the command prompt. you can see a blink in place. Small character that is underscore, which is blinking. In front of that, you can see C colon, then the backward slash, yes, C colon, backward slash, and the greater than mark. That is called the location. That is actually the location. Okay, keep it there, yes. That is the location. Open the command prompt again from the run dialog box. Okay, can you tell the location now? All of you can try.
C Windows System 32 CMD.
Yes, that is maybe in your computer, C Windows System 32 CMD. And what about the visible screen? C users, PKS.
HP greater.
Just PKS CM. Actually, so it says inside the C drive, users folder, inside the users folder, PKS CM folder. Yes, that is the indication. Okay, let's go to some other location, Pute. So let's go to the Explorer. Explorer ekata yamu api aaye. Please go to the Explorer. Then, okay, Anna. So, okay, let's go to the D drive. My shares D drive. Then let's go to the D drive. There's a folder called Ubuntu. I can see there's a folder called Ubuntu. Okay. Okay, now type CMD in the address bar. Click there and type so erase that. No, erase the everything. Then type CMD and press enter. Okay, now what is the location, Puti?
D Ubuntu.
D drive Ubuntu folder. Can you understand how the location is read? So now this is D drive Ubuntu folder. එකෙන් කියන්නේ ඔයාලා දැන් ඉන්න location එක. ඒ කියන්නේ අර Windows වල නම් if it is in Windows you have to double click and open, double click and open, double click and open and go forth, no. Okay, let's close this. Let's do another example. So all of you need to look at the screen. Be carefully look at the screen. Go to Explorer. හරි දැන් අපි පියවරෙන් යමු wallpaper folder එකට. Okay, after the Explorer, go to C drive. Go to C drive. Okay, go to C drive. Then go to the Windows folder. Then go to the Windows folder. Harida. Then there's a folder called Web. Can you see in the bottom? There's a folder called Web. See Windows Web. Then there's a folder called, right? Then there's a folder called Wallpaper. Yes, Wallpaper. Okay. When you open the wallpaper, then there's a folder called Flowers. Long path, right? Diga path එකක්. කොහොමද අපි ගියේ ආයෙ මතක් කරන්න? Can you remember the path again?
This PC C
Windows
Web wallpaper.
Web wallpaper, then Flowers. Okay, then එහෙම තමයි අපි ඉස්සරහට ගියේ. CMD එකෙන් අපි ඔක
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So we can use those backgrounds for our computer display also?
Yes, you can use. Those are pictures actually. So you can use that as backgrounds, wallpapers. Okay, so Satika, can you type CMD now in this? There you can type CMD. Those who joined later, don't worry, I'll teach you what to do right now. Can you see? So what is the path there? Satika, you can erase the drawings, I think. Otherwise it's not clear, no? Erase these lines. Okay. So now everybody, can you read the path? So can you read the path? Yes.
C Windows System 32.
No. Satika screen again. See
See Windows web
See
wallpaper.
Windows web wallpaper theme 2.
See Windows web wallpaper theme 2. ඒ කියන්නේ C වල ඇතුලේ Windows ඇතුලේ web ඇතුලේ wallpaper ඇතුලේ theme 2 කියන folder එකේ තමයි සතික ඉන්නේ. Can you understand that now or still not clear? Still not clear? Okay, I just want to tell you the exact location. Location කියන අපි කොහෙට හරි යනකොට folders ඇතුළට යනවනේ මේ ඇතුළට ගියාම අපි ඉන්න තැන. The location that we are in is displayed here. Okay. So can anyone else share the screen, Pute? I'm stopping that. Okay, Satika, can you stop sharing? Okay. Can anyone else share the screen? Okay, Tisal. Right, Tisal, Yanna Balanna. Okay, Tisal, create a folder in your desktop, Tisal. Right click and create a new folder. New folder. Okay. Now, Tisal, please go inside that folder. Double click and open that. Okay. Double click and open the folder, still opening, right? Right, now you go and type your address bar. Our new folder keltine address bar එක යන්න එතනට ගිහිල්ලා CMD කියලා type කරන, erase everything and type CMD. Press enter. Okay, now what is the path? Others, can you see the path, Puti? Others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See? Yes?
See users TSVIT desktop new folder.
Desktop new folder. Then, so I think now you can understand this because I have given you enough examples. So there are various methods, right? There are various methods of accessing command prompt, but anyway, when you access the command prompt, you can see the path that you are in. Okay, the first command that we are going to type is dir. dir. Please type there, dir, and press enter. What it says? It says, right, it says two directories, dot and double dot, basically 0 files. So 0 files, 2 directories. Directories means folders. So is there 2 folders inside your new folder? Is there?
No, sir.
No, you don't have. It's empty, ne? Can you go and see that again? Can you go and see that again? Okay, that is empty. Can you create a folder there? So create a folder and give your name to that folder. Control Shift N is the shortcut to create folder. Control Shift N. Create a new folder. Yes, create a new folder inside that. And then give your name. Okay. Give your name and press enter. Okay. Go to the command line again. I command line. Then again type dir command. Now how many folders? It says 3 directories, 3 folders. Is it actually, is there 3 folders? Oh, only 1 folder.
Only 2 folders.
Only 1 folder, right? Only Tisal Vitanage is the folder. Okay, if you want to access Tisal Vitanage folder, you can type cd. I'll explain these commands, right? cd space, then within quotation Tisal Vitanage. Quotation, this is bracket. Quotation, double quotation. Common quotation, then quotation, right? Okay. Then Tisal Vitanage, your folder's name. Close the quotation, press enter, and you are inside that folder now. dir again. So what's inside that? Inside that nothing is there. Inside that nothing is there. Right? So, but it says 2 dir. Dir again folders. It says 2 dir. Why? Can you type cd space dot? CD වලින් කියarන්නේ folder එක මාරු කරන එක. Change directory cd space dot. Is it change in the folder? No. Dot means yourself. That means same folder. Then cd space double dot. Then what will happen? You are going back. Now you are inside the new folder. Again cd double dot. Now you are inside the desktop. Again cd double dot. Now you are inside TVs. Again cd double dot. So what this double dot? Double dot means parent folder. එයාට කලින් ඉන්න folder එක. එයා තමයි double dot. ඒතර command line එකේ තමයි මේ විදියට තියෙන්නේ. Dot කියන්නේ එයාමයි. Dot means the same folder. Double dot means the parent folder. මොකද අර අපිට double click කර කර යන්න බෑනේ. We cannot double click and open going back. එහෙම ඒවා නෑනේ. ඒ හින්දා තමයි ආ dot කියලා එකකුයි double dot කියලා එකකුයි දාගෙන තියෙන්නේ. Double dot කියන්නේ parent. I cd double dot කරත් කොහෙටද යන්නේ? If I press cd double dot again, so what will be the location? C, right? C drive. Others can help you going forward. How? So what should you type now? You want to go back to the wallpaper.
Hello.
So cd space file path.
Can anyone hear me?
Yes. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
next.
sir.
Okay.
So
Can you
what
share?
happened?
Okay. Neturi, who has shared the screen? This is okay. Can you just put a plain wallpaper? Otherwise, like it's very difficult to see the content. wallpaper එක change කරන්න පුතේ normal plain color එකකට. Just change it to a plain color. Okay, now create a new folder in your desktop. Open that folder now. Right. Now go to the address bar පුතේ. Address bar එකට ගිහින් okay.
I can't hear you.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what? Can you tell me the folder that your friend is in? So which is the folder? Full path. Read the
C
full path.
users, user,
C users,
OneDrive,
OneDrive,
DS
Stop.
Yes, Basuru. That is C users, user, OneDrive, DSA Nanai College, then desktop and Basuru. That is the folder. Okay, when Basuru types cd double dot, what will be the path?
C users, user, OneDrive, DS Senanayaka College, desktop.
Correct. It's going back one folder. Okay, correct. Press enter Pute. Again cd double dot. Okay, again cd double dot. CD space double dot is the correct notation, but anyway, this is also okay. CD space double dot, okay. Press enter and CD space double dot. Now you can see to going backwards, you need CD double dot. Understood the command?
So what CD dot?
CD dot is going nowhere. It's like I'm calling myself me. Me. You can call yourself me. Self. Same folder, right? CD dot means same folder. Not going anywhere. Again, CD double dot. Okay, now we can see you are in the C drive. Right. Now, Pute, everybody should understand. How can I go forward? Backward, how to go forward? You have to type the folder name. Okay, CD space. What is the folder name? That's what I am asking. CD space.
Users.
Users, exactly, correct. Okay, now you understood the concept. CD space users. CD space users. No, double dot gahanne pa. No double dots. Only CD, then space users. Okay, then press enter. Right, now you understood the concept. Next.
CD users. User.
Oh, you can just type user. No need to type the users again. Now you can type user. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Press enter. Next, what should be the answer? What should be
C users, user, CD OneDrive.
CD space that OneDrive. Yes. You can put tab pute. Tab key එක ගහන්න එතකොට ඔටෝ වදින ඔක්කොම ටික. Tab එක ගහන්න. Tab key. Tab key. Caps lock එකට උඩින් තියෙන්නේ. ආයෙ tab එකක් ගහන්න. Right. Okay. Enter. No, again tab key. Again, oh, වැරදි. දැන් ඔයා ඉන්නේ වැරදි තැනක. Again, CD double dot, go back. You can understand that is error, right? It's not correct. Again, yes, enter CD, then you have to give OneDrive and you can press tab key. අර දිග එකනේ එන්න ඕන. tab එක ගන්න. tab key එක ගන්න. Again tab ගන්න තව එක පාරක්. හරි. දැන් හරි නේද? Now your folder location is correct. Press enter. That longer name, very long one, right? Your OneDrive name is very long one. Then what? Others. Then what?
Desktop Basuru.
CD desktop. Yes, CD space desktop. Correct. Then what? Desk. 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 Desktop. Desk name desktop. Okay, press enter. And now you are inside the desktop folder. Can you see? So this is how you give the next CD Basuru. CD Basuru. So this is how you go forward. Is it easy or difficult?
Easy, sir.
Very easy, sir.
Easy, but the thing is, you have to remember the commands, neither. You have to remember the commands. So, එකපාරම පිටිපස්සට යන්නේ කොහොමද? How to go back one time? CD space backslash. CD space backslash. Space backslash. Backward slash. Then backslash hoyano. Basuru. Backward slash කියන්නේ backward කියන්නේ අර නිකන් ඔයාලාට නාන්න කිව්වම, so if your parent asks you to bath, so you are going backward. No, I can't. So backward slash is that. So now press it. Okay, I'll show you that. When you go there, see my screen again. So this is what the backward and forward slashes, right? Backward. Forward. So you have to remember the keyboard පුතේ. දැන් නැත්තම් keyboard එකට වෙනම lesson එකක් කරන්න වෙනවා. Here, can you see? When you are asked to do something you don't like, you are going backward. No, I can't. Forward means you are happy. Some students are coming to IT class as backward slashes. Because your parents, your mother, father asking, today you have classes, Pute, you have to go and sit in front of the computer. You have online classes now. So you are telling like that. No, you have to sit in the class. I can't understand very well. No, you have to go to the class. So you are like backward slash. But some are like forward slashes. So your mother says, we have planned a trip. We will go to your grandmother's house. No, Amma, I have this IT class. I can't go anywhere. So you are like a forward slash. So which option you don't know. So maybe you have to select. So either you are a forward or backward. So at least remember the story and remember the backward slash and the forward slash, right? Backward slash is back. Forward slash is forward. Okay, now Basuru, it's your time. So now can you press this forward slash? Basuru, share the screen. Okay. CD backward slash. Enter. It's going directly to the C drive. දැන් ඔයාට අර අපේ තිසල් කරපු එක කරන්න පුළුවන්. මේක තමයි මම එකපාර කරන්න එපා කිව්වේ. If you type the full path now, then ඔයාට පුළුවන් ඉස්සරහටත් ඒ විදිහට කරන්න. CD space then අර උඩ එක copy කරන්න. අන්නේ මුළු path එකම copy කරන්න. ඒක ඕනේ නැහැ. ඒ CD අරෙන් ඉතුරු ටික. CD ගන්න එපා. CD අරෙන් අර බාසුරු එකෙත් U අකුර වෙනකන් විතරයි. only up to U letter. Letter U. Yes. ඔතනත් users විතරක් copy කරා නම් ඇති, right? Copy, right click copy and paste there. Okay, then press enter. Right now you can see you are going to the full directory. Understood now? So that's why I said do step by step. They always don't be hurry. Otherwise you won't understand the concept. එකපාරම කරන්න යන්න එපා. ඉන්න මෙහෙමත් පුළුවන්. So this is also valid method. CD backslash will directly go to the C drive. Then CD full path will directly go to the location. So, but you have to learn that step by step, not one go, right? Step by step only. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we know how these folder structures are there and how it is located. Let's. I would like if a girl can share the screen. Basuru, you can stop screen sharing. So let's give a chance to another girl. Rehansa. Now we are going to learn more commands, right? We have already learned. How many commands we learned?
4, sir.
4. What are they? CD, then?
CD, two dots, CD backward backward slash.
Yeah, all are CD, no? All are CD. So what else we learn? We learn one more command, that is dir, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go back to the command prompt. Shall we go to the command prompt, Rehansa? Open the command prompt, CMD, and press enter. Okay. Okay, your screen is there. So what is Rehansa's path? It is C users HP, correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, Rehansa, type dir there and press enter. Dir will list all the folders and the files. Dir will list all the folders and files. You have to type dir and press enter. Okay, you can see a lot of folders and files are there in C users HP. Just move down. Right, now let's say you want to clear the screen. Clear the command CLS. CLS. Okay, that will clear the screen. Again, put dir to see the folders. Okay, how many folders are there, Pute? In Rehansa's C users HP, how many folders are there?
18, sir.
But 18 includes dot and double dot, right? Here you can see 18 include dot and double dot. So you can say 16, right? Agree or not?
Sir, I can't understand.
Dot and double dot to count වෙනවනේ උඩ උඩම තියෙන dot එකයි double dot එකයි බලන්න. Rehansa highlight කරන්න ආවේ තියෙන dot and double dot. ඒ දෙකත් count වෙනවනේ. ඒ දෙක folders නෙවෙයිනේ. ඔය තියෙන්නේ dot කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Dot කියන්නේ self. Double dot කියන්නේ parent. ඒවා folders නෙවෙයි. ඒවා links. Right? Okay. ඒ දෙක අතෑරියම කීයක් වෙනවද? 18න් දෙකක් අඩු කරන්න. 18 minus 2. It is 16, right? Now can you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, okay. How many files are there?
16.
No. 16 folders. How many files?
3.
3 files. Yes, that is correct. That is also there, right? 3 files. So what are the 3 files? You can see this PC shortcut. And you have file called MD. You have file called CD. 3 files. MD, CD, and this PC shortcut, LNK. Those are the 3 files. Okay. So let's go to the desktop now. You can see desktop. How to go to the desktop? No. You can type command put a CD desktop. Because you can see the desktop folder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the desktop folder. So see that. Dot is the first, double dot is the second. 3D objects කියලා තියෙනවා එක 3. ඊට පස්සේ තියෙනවා 4 CD කියලා. ඊට පස්සේ contacts කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. There's a folder called contacts. After that the desktop. You can type CD desktop, Pute. Yashnit, yes, I'll give you a chance. CD desktop. Okay, so now you are in the desktop, Pute. So let's type a command MD. So today, lot of commands. I'll give you note, right? Because of this power issue, it's very difficult to me to turn on the laptop. I couldn't charge it actually. I forgot to charge. MD space. Then type 1 space 2 space 3 space up to 10. Up to 10. Okay, press enter. Okay, now you go to your desktop. Minimize color desktop. Just minimize and go to your desktop. Can you see there are 10 folders?
Yes, sir.
There are 10 folders in your desktop. Okay, to make directory, you can use MD command. Then you can give the directory name. If you give multiple names, it will create multiple folders. Which is faster, graphical user interface or command line interface?
Command line.
Command line interface.
Yes, command line interface, because to create 10 folders, it took only how many times? So only 1 second. Okay, now go back. Let's erase that. To erase, you have to type another command, that is RD space, yes, up to 10. 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, likewise up to 10. Then you can delete. Now go to your desktop and see, Pute. Yes, all are deleted. You can see it is very fast, right? It is very, very fast. MD will create.
Sir, is it deleted permanently or
it's
recycled?
permanently. It's not going to recycle bin. It's permanently deleting. Right?
Sir, we can type 1 to 100, no, sir. So we can create 100 folders.
Yes, you can create 100 folders, but I'll give you easy method. So if you like to create 100 folders, okay, let me send it to the chat. So if you want to create 100 folders, you can type this command. You can type for, so I'm sending in the chat. You can copy paste, right? Okay, all of you can copy paste the command that I have sent. Rehansa, can you copy paste? Okay, it's creating how many folders? 100. Right? No need to type. It will automatically create 100 folders. Now your desktop has 100 folders. How to erase? Change that command to type the same command, paste the same command.
And
but
sir, we have to change it for RD.
RD, yes. Okay, type the same command, but with RD, right? This time. Arakama paste karanna. Same command, paste, but change the M to R. No, yawa M gahanne pute aaye. RD wadinna ona. Same command, ara command ekama thama. Same command, but you have to change the MD kila tiyenne. Eka RD wenna ona. Okay, I have sent the command. Remember these commands, these are very important, right? Okay, copy and paste that command now. But copy pasting is okay, but you have to remember the commands also. Okay, now deleted. Otana man damani 100 kila. What about if you put 1000, what will happen?
It's create 1000 folders and it's deleting 1000 folders, sir.
We create 1000 folders and also delete 1000 folders. Okay, then.
Sir, can we do that task together, sir?
Yeah, possible. So even you can type 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. Any number will work there, right? But be careful, otherwise, like your computer will struck. Don't give a bigger number. 1,000, 10,000 would be okay, but don't give more than that. Then like it will try to struck your computer. The class එකේ ඉන්නත් බැරි වෙලා leave වෙන්න වෙයි මේ මදි වෙලා. Okay. Next, how the Yashnit. You said that you want to share the screen, Yashnit. You can start sharing today.
Recording in progress.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yashnit, so now please open the command prompt again. I'll teach you how to create.
Excuse me, sir. In search bar, I typed the CMD, so it's open command prompt now, sir.
Sorry, in search bar.
I typed CMD mistakenly, sir, but it's open command prompt.
Yeah, it's open in it. So wherever you type, it's open. That command will run. Okay, now Pute, I am teaching you another command, how to change the color of the command prompt. You have to type color. You have to type color, C-O-L-O-R, right? Computer, color you type C-O-L-O-R. I know the correct spelling C-O-L-O-U-R. But in computer, we type C-O-L-O-R. Right. Then to get the help, you can type / C के पास / ඔය දැන් උන් අමතක වෙලා මම අර backward / පෙන්නුයි / තියෙන question mark එකත් එක්ක තියෙන එක space / මේ පැත්තට තියෙන ඉර තියෙන්නේ / space එකක් තියන්න ඕන color space / then the question mark ඊට පස්සේ question mark. Okay, press enter. Right, now you are getting all the colors. Remember these colors. So 0 is black color, then 1 is blue color, 2 is green color. Likewise, you can see F is white color, 8 is gray color. Okay, let's try some command now. Press enter now. Okay, so you want to get black color background and black color background and green color font. Then you can type C-O-L-O-R, C-O-L-O-R color, C-O-L-O-R space black color කියන්නේ black color is 0. Then that is the background. The font color is, let's say, green.
Sir, we
2.
can give any color, no, sir?
Any color, yes. 0, 2 ne the green. So what's the green color? Don't put space. Put this space naturally. Green is 2, yes. 0, 2. Press enter. Now you can see black color background and green color font. So if you need blue color background and white color font, how? Blue color background, white color font. How do we type? Color space blue color background, white color font. Yes, type it. Others can help.
17.
Color space, yes.
17.
Oh yes, 17 is okay. Color space එකක් තියන්න ඕන. වැරදිනේ command එක නේද? Color space 17. I type කරන්න. You have to retype the command. Color space මුලින් space තියන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. Space 17. 1F would come on. 1F is also. Now we can see 1 is blue and 7 is white. Okay, Pute. So now we learn a lot of commands. Right up to now, we have learned a lot of commands. Right? So next is write in the note. It's very important. What I can do is I'll type the note So since like today we had an issue, no? Therefore, okay. But anyway, we have 10 minutes, right? Yes, we have 10 minutes. We can write the note, I think. So let me share the screen again. Yes, better we write the note and finish. Otherwise, like we are in trouble. So please stop the sharing. Okay, I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to write the note quickly. This is your note. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir, can see.
Okay. So please write down the note. Quickly write down with me. Because still note is not there. That's why I'm asking you to quickly write down with me.
So do we have to write Sinhala note?
No, English one. Right. Software interfaces. Oh, what is that? Software interfaces. And write faster with me, right? Okay. There are two types of interfaces we are using. Number one is command line interface, CLI. CLI means command line interface. Number two is GUI, graphical user interface. Okay, under that, you can write GUI has windows, icons, menus, graphics, and pointers. It is easy to understand and simple to learn interface. Most of simple to learn interface. Most of the users prefer GUI as it is user-friendly. Most of the users are using, or most of the users prefer GUI as it is user-friendly. CLI is simple or small in size and high performing interface. It has no graphics and specific commands are used to it has specific commands. It has no graphics and specific commands are used to interact with the interface, with the software. It is robust. Robust means stable and powerful. Fast and secure. It is mostly used in server software and server operating systems. Servers are service providers such as Google, Facebook, and YouTube. CLI is used in service providing end. Service consuming end is mostly GUI. We use GUI, right? We access using GUI, but they provide using CLI. So that is bit advanced, but we will learn that how it is happening and all. They give CLI service, but we get it as a GUI service. Wonderful, right? So Google for us is graphics, but Google for them is commands. They think they see the commands and we see the graphics. Okay, the next part. Microsoft operating systems.
Sir, can you scroll up, sir, please?
Use command prompt and PowerShell to provide CLI facilities to advanced users. So that they can enjoy the power of operating system. Similarly, Linux users terminal and Mac OS is also using a terminal. So let me show you, this is what the terminal is. It is similar to the command prompt. You can type various commands. Clear, CLS is not working, clear is working. MD is not working, but mkdir is working. mkdir, 1, 2, 3, 4. So create in that folder. ls is for dir, different command. To remove that, rmdir, 1, 2, 3, 4, erase in. Clear is clear in the string. So likewise, different commands. To access the command prompt,
A little bit tough.
you always expect screenshots. But writing is a basic skill, right? Writing, and because if you can develop, enhance that, you can remember well. But taking screenshot, you will not be able to remember more. Your brain will
No, sir,
adapt.
I'm typing that one. I miss small part.
I'll give you a chance to take a screenshot because like I'm writing a little faster than usual because today we had some issue initially. Therefore, I'm just typing faster. I'll give you a chance. Don't worry. Don't worry. You can take screenshots. But always to remember these things, you have to type faster and develop the skill or write it. Writing in your book is also okay. To access the command prompt, press Windows key with R key and then type CMD and press enter. Or search command prompt. Or Open the Explorer. The shortcut is not Explorer, not Explorer. The shortcut is Windows key and E key. And go to any location and then type CMD in the address bar and press enter. Or right click in an empty area by holding the shift key in the keyboard. Keyboard එකේ shift key එක ඔබාගෙන right click කරන්න පුළුවන්. Right click in an empty area by holding the shift key in the keyboard. Then select open command window here or open PowerShell window here. That is also an option.
Sir, can you scroll up, please?
Yeah, sure. The commands that we have learned. So these are the commands that we have learned. I'll quickly add that to note. Okay.
Can you scroll up?
Wait, I'll give you a chance to take screenshot. DIR. List the folders and files. CLS. Clear the screen. MD. Create a new folder. CD. Access a folder. CD double dot to go back. And CD backslash go to the RD is erasing. Tree is showing the list of folder and folders and subfolders. Then color is changing background and foreground colors. Help is to get help. Okay, if we can develop the typing skills, see. So this we have just typed closer to one page. So just within 8 minutes, right? Closer to 10 minutes, I think. Now you can take a screenshot, Puti, I think. So this is the beginning part.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So Microsoft operating systems කියන එකේ ඉඳන් ඊට ටික copy කරලා chat එකට දාන්න පුළුවන්ද?
This is the latter part. එච්චර දාන්න දෙයිද දන්නේ නැහැ බලමු. Okay, pasted.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Okay. With that, I'm going to stop for today, Putte. Please take a screenshot and write down this. Next day, we learn today we have done very fast job. So I know leisurely we can learn a lot. And next day, let's slow down and learn more things about the command prompt. It's wonderful and can do many activities using that.
Okay, sir.
Good night. See you all next week.
Thanks, sir. Good night then.
Good night.